Okay, we have a Mori-Seiki vertical machining center, model DURA vertical 5100, serial number DV005HJ1893. Machine was new in October of 2008. You can see it has a Mori-Seiki FANUC 504 Roman numeral 3 control. It's 4th axis ready +1. We're going to run it for you. You have 20.1 in the Z, 20.9 in the Y, 41.3 in the X. You have a 53 by 23.6 table. $10,000 RPM spindle. 3,000 RPM. The machine is also wired for probing. Cooling through a spindle. What's the RPM right now?
That's 5,000.
5,000 RPM.
That's 7,500.
7,500 RPM. It has a chip conveyor. Oh, it's 30 ATC and takes Cat 40 tooling. We're going to simulate a tool change. Okay. Hey, I think you've seen it. Thank you for watching our video.